separately. So, critical thinking and creative thinking. Today, we'll see in the depth what is the actual difference, and then you must able to differentiate, because if you will be able to differentiate, then only you can start how you can develop that and how you can reflect that. Yes, you are just creative person. Yes, you can think very critically and just appropriately, because these skills are nowadays at a very large demand due to the industry 4 revolutions. If you will just not represent your originality and your thinking pattern, that is not going to make you the successful in the life ahead of this, because all the changes I have told you. Okay, so due to these changes, these thinkings have come up in the topmost skills required. So critical thinking, you can just see it's analytical. I am giving you an example that picnic arranging, and you are just telling me all the ideas. I'm asking you, okay, how we can plan that picnic to the Kashmir. So whether you are just analyzing the whole situations, are you able to tell me transport, eating, living, site visiting, everything? Are you analytical, all thinking in this pattern? First question comes, even if you will think whether you will able to just communicate to me in clear manner or no. But forget that. If you don't want to tell me the things, your opinions, if you are going to put it on your paper or no, yourself, that also you have to think. So it should be analytical. Critical thinking has to be analytical, doing all the analysis. Okay. So that way we have to focus it. But creative thinking will be generative, means you have to generate that ideas. It will be original, innovative, something different approach to consider. What you are not following what are talking others, what others are talking, and in the similar the way you are thinking and just contributing your option. No, you will generate your own. Then convergent. But see, if critical thinking you are considering convergent, means it will come to the point exactly what is required for the picnic planning to the Kashmir. Means no sutter futter and here and there will happen. But when creative thinking will be there, divergent will be there. Topics will be diversified. We'll go to this some different aspects instead of Kashmir, suppose Lonavala or any like that. So matter subject will be divergent, but it doesn't mean that it is not useful, because when we start idea generating, then only different very good things will come. So flexibility has to be there. So critical thinking is convergent, creative thinking is divergent. This is left brain, because logical thinking means left brain. But when you are thinking creative, that is the right brain. And here, if you want to design your own life, you have to keep balance of that, and that is what we are discussing. So when designing your own life and success, you have to be critical also, and you have to creative also. So logical and intuitive. So this is the intuitive. What comes in your brain, then immediately you will just speak it. It is sequential, it is imaginative. See, when you are just talking, you will just talk in sequence, first point, second point, third point. But when you are thinking creative, any point you can take randomly, as if it merge in your brain, you will just speak to me. So intuitive, imaginative will be there. It is objective, this is subjective. Reasoning and speculative, reality based, fantasy based, vertical, lateral, probability, possibility. Here, everything we will just see the probability of going there and visiting there. But here we can just explore various opportunities. Okay, while going in Kashmir, why not Nainital or why not these? So, what are the different possibilities we will explore with our creative thinking? This is judgmental and this will be not judgmental, this will be verbal and this will be visual. And that's why if we had to develop our creative thinking and creative thinking, we have to know the tools. What are the tools used for these visual tools, different tools? So one of the tool is mind map, like that journey map or some another. So that also you have to see. In brief only I will tell you, because my focus will be rather than just discussing this, we can just have using it in our life design. Okay. So you just think it, read it yourself for 2 minutes. Okay. Once you will understand the difference, then you can ask yourself. I already told you how you will take all these sessions. You will go on asking yourself whether this you have or no. Are you having capability to verbally think? Verbally thinking, visually thinking means whatever thoughts are coming into mind, are you able to show it visually so you can understand now what is the importance of that mind map? Okay. So now if you will see, thinking has come very, very important things nowadays. So when you are learning, I have already told something about the learning. So thinking is very important part of the learning, and this is Bloom's taxonomy, who has explained about the thinking levels. So when you remember, suppose I am just telling you what is thinking, critical thinking, creative thinking. If you are able to remember, you are at a very low level, very low level. That is the first step. You are able to remember critical thinking, creative thinking. So you can just see it is a knowledge who, why, what madam told. Okay. But are you able to understand it? Interpretations, what I am telling, you are making efforts yourself to understand that. Yes. If you're understanding tomorrow, you will definitely answer me the questions. What is the difference between critical and logical, this creative thinking? And then in your own words you can tell me. Okay, so you can comprehend, you can compare, you can demonstrate, interpret. Comparison also I have checked today after taking lecture. Immediately I told comparison. Not a single student could wrote a single point which I covered in the lecture. So what is the use of attending lecture? Only half an hour I took, and within after half an hour I just asked students to write comparison, and not a single student out of 44 students could wrote a single point which was covered in the half hour. So what is the use that you are attending? You ask yourself. So if you will understand, definitely you will be able. But your mind is not thinking always. When I said open book test, immediately all you went on internet, all you went here and there, copied and just pasted, copied and pasted, copied and pasted. No student could pass. So this way it is not your development of the skills. Okay. So understanding has to be there. If you will understand, then definitely you can put into your own sentence. So that will be second level only. How the company or industry is going to check, try to understand. And how you are just at what level, and what is your attitude, and what is your efforts. Read this, because you are sleeping when I am talking. Okay. So understanding is at second level. Then third level is applying. And I have told you all program outcomes, how industry is expecting with that 12 program outcomes. And here, whatever you are understanding, you need to apply. Suppose you are attending now, you have understood critical thinkings, creative thinkings. Are you able to apply in your own life day to day? Whether you are attending next section by applying your creative thinking, by applying your critical thinking. Suppose I will ask you to put some answers, when your reflection in chat box. Are you able to think it in the your questions? Are you putting in the chat box in that way your creative answer, or you will just read what others are posting in the chat box and simply copy it? So you must able to apply what you have understood. So if you are able to apply, then you are at level 3. So these are all low order thinking levels or low order learning. And industry is not interested if you are here. They are going to observe you how you learn, because I told you your learning style is also coming to the highest level of priority. They will judge you because all the new things are happening. Industry 4 revolution has started. New concepts you have to learn, you have to apply, you have to analyze it. So definitely they will check the learning styles of you. So low order thinking, low order learning levels. This Bloom's taxonomy is for learning also. Here I am using it to express it for the thinking. Okay. Now next higher order thinking will be analyzing. Okay. So these are called as HOL and LOL. So LOL means low order levels and HOL means high order levels. So analyzing, are you able to analyze? Suppose I will tell you just this one this suppose I have given you the picnic arrangement. Suppose one another question I will give or problem I will give. Are you going to analyze it critically and creatively? Are you going to evaluate it yourself? How you analyze? Or is it possible for evaluation and creating? Means is it you will able to create something? So that will be higher orders thinking levels or higher orders learning. So whatever you are learning, you must be able to create, you must able to evaluate, you must able to analyze. Okay, so tomorrow I am going to consider it and again tomorrow's sessions. Okay, in my lecture I am just telling simultaneously. So this is Bloom's taxonomy about the thinking levels. So you just go on asking questions. Can I put elements together in new ways, synthesize diverse ideas, add insights, generate innovative solutions? Definitely 3 4 students I could find out, they tried to write comparisons, some innovative thinking merge, some different aspects come, but you ask every little questions, every little actions like giving the file names. Okay, so can I deconstruct a source to determine value based on evidence and rational? Can I provide a coherent critique? So evaluation, analyze. So all these things, whatever I'm just discussing, you have to ask, can I do this? Can I remember what madam is saying? Whether I understand what madam is saying? Okay, then can I apply this, whatever is just being discussed? Okay, so how you will develop your critical thinkings? Okay, so if you want to develop your critical thinking, then you have to think deeply to make relevant connections. Means take any, now I have given one example, going to Kashmir, arranging the picnic. You think very depth, very much relevant informations. Okay, because critical I am talking, not the creative. So if you want to develop, you have to just see the relevant logical connections, in depth connections, ask quality and clarification questions. I am already just told in the previous sessions what, why, how, where. First curiosity has to be there. If you have curiosity, then definitely you can just have your critical thinking developed. So use evidences and reasoning to support thinking, analyze, reason, and evaluate, synthesize diverse ideas. Diversification is required, then convergence is required. We have seen the difference, solve relevant and complex problems, make reasoned decisions, generate and evaluate options prior to making decisions, focus on details on deriving meaning. So all these, just take a photograph of that and just focus on that every day, you think on it. Examine diverse point. Means thinking has to be there, not on our life. Oh, this happened, and then she said me like that, and just discussing about the persons, discussing about their quality, chit chatting, and just spending time. Instead of that, go on thinking on just things, values, respective ideas to others, questions. Then it will start developing. Okay, so that way you have to develop. So just go through. So critical thinking questions, I am telling you some questions. So how your critical thinking will be checked in the interviews. So some sample questions I am giving, they will ask you, tell us about a time where a project did not go as planned, and if you are not done project, then how will answer? So you must be ready for these questions. Tell us about